China's growing military capabilities have become a topic of concern for countries around the world. Among its many advances, there have been rumors of alleged Chinese plans to neutralize the F-22 Raptor stealth fighter, considered one of the most advanced military aircraft in existence. While fast, the F-22 certainly can't outrun hypersonic missiles, and now there are reports that China may consider how to use the technology to target America's best warplanes. Back in December 2021, a Chinese scientist even made the bold, even dubious, claim that a hypersonic surface-to-air missile can catch up and destroy an F-22 Raptor in seconds if it fires the missile or drops a bomb at close range. The purpose of the F-22 Raptor, and more recently the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning, is to evade enemy air defenses and engage targets at long range. If the enemy doesn't know an airplane is there, it won't fire a missile, hypersonic or otherwise. Finally, current fifth-generation aircraft, including the F-22, which was designed as an air superiority fighter, can target enemies from long distances. China's development of advanced electronic warfare capabilities could pose a significant challenge to the F-22. By using jamming techniques, cyber attacks, and other electronic warfare measures, China can interfere with the F-22's sensors and communication systems, thereby reducing its effectiveness on the battlefield. Lockheed Martin's F-22 Raptor is revered for its dogfighting capabilities as well as its air-to-air maneuvering attributes, especially when compared to other potential rivals. Operated solely by the United States Air Force, the Raptor was developed as part of the Advanced Tactical Fighter (ATF) program 2 decades ago. The aircraft was developed as an air superiority fighter capable of ground attack, electronic warfare and intelligence signals. Chinese media highlight the fact that U.S. Air Force data show that heat-seeking missiles accounted for 90% of all aircraft losses in the 1980s, but fail to address the fact that it was the United States that scored the lion's share of the kills. All heat-seeking missiles can easily target aircraft by pursuing heat signatures. Heat-seeking, also called infrared homing, is a passive missile guidance technique in which it detects and locks on to the target from electromagnetic radiation emitted in the infrared part of the spectrum. Key to China's claim is that hypersonic weapons still need to be fired from small range and when the aircraft is low relative to the ground. That would suggest that the F-22 flying high at range still has time to maneuver. China may focus on developing and deploying a long-range surface-to-air missile specifically designed to attack and destroy the F-22 aircraft. These missiles can be equipped with advanced guidance systems, making it difficult for the F-22 to avoid them effectively.